Hello everyone! Tonight I'll be making a soma na balinghoy with shredded coconut. Here you go. This is my shredded coconut, and then I have here the cassava, which is balanghoy. So let's start, and I'm using my salad master machine, of course, plus cone number 1. Let's go. It's easy, right? Then look at this one. Kasi matigas yung part na to. So yung machine na mismo nagre-remove. Kasi yung kinds ng balanghoy is matigas na siya. Kaya ganun. Inside your kitchen. Hindi na kailangan yung parang pang-shredded ninyo na yung the small. So, ang sakit sa daliri. And look at this, oh. A lot na. Less than, easy and convenient. Right? So, yung mga small amount na, you just drop inside your food guard kasi meron tayong food guard po. Easy, right? So it's safe with your finger. So kailangan natin tanggalin yung mga excess water. Kailangan lang natin pigaan. Look at that. Easy. Aking shredded na frozen also na coconut, and then I'm going to mix with the cassava. Ito yung aking light na sugar. Let's mix it na. Ito na, guys. Okay, so next naman ipo-form na natin sa dahon ng saging. So I have a banana leaves here. Let's form it. Okay. So, ganyan lang siya, guys. Patay na natin siya. And the other one also. Right. Other one. So here, 12-inch skillet, which is the limited edition, and then nilagyan ko na po siya ng water inside. Tapos, nandito yung rack. Okay, and then, ito na po yung aking final. Na-firm ko na po sa dahon. So, ilagay ko lang siya dito lahat. Alright, so, let's wait 30 minutes. 25 minutes done, so let's check. Wow. Okay. All right. One time. 25 minutes done. Cassava steam with coconut. Bye!